so that atẹ́gùn máa tètè fẹ́ sí kí pátá lè tètè gbẹ. This one I'm actually trashing it. I'm sure you guys know this brand. It did my face shege, so I'm trashing everything. I stopped using it. Though some people say it works. So you can nice me, I'll be nice, but why should be wearing? Me go and say, because everybody only monopoly of madness. Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. This is less than 24 hours before leaving Ibadan. So my flight is tomorrow. Though my flight is by 4 p.m. but like I told you guys, I don't want to hear story. I booked that flight for 50k plus. So very early in the morning, like 8 o'clock, I'll be going to the airport. I just stay at Akobo, so and the airport is at Alakia. Just to avoid plus and minus, I'll go there early and to check my bag, anything. Make I check the airport first of all. Now that one consign me. So I have less than 24 hours to leave this house, to leave Ibadan. So I'm going to be showing you guys around what I've done so far, what I've packed so far, and every other thing. As you guys can see how the house is looking in a mess and all of that. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, so I started my relocation journey outside Nigeria, despite I said I was not going to move out of Nigeria, and I shared my story, what actually triggered me, what prompted me to live in Nigeria. If you've not seen the video, I'll put the link in my description box. You will see a playlist attached to it, my life journey, so you see all the progressive videos and everything there. So guys, in today's video, okay, I've told you guys down. So as you guys can see how scattered the whole house is. Can you see? This is my supposed hand luggage. This is what I told you guys, I don't want carry load. That's what I'm carrying. This bed sheet, I'm burning everything, right? So this tab, somebody has bought it, but I'm going with the socket. I'll take it tomorrow. So I want to charge my power bank. I have 2 power banks left. I told you the other ones are burnt. I have 2 power banks left, and they are 20,000 mAh each. So I'll be dropping one for somebody I like here. So I think I'll give it to my female agent. She's so nice to me. These things too, I'm packing it and leaving it for her. I say about that things. This bag is actually new, brand new bag. I'm just giving her for being a good person. So I have to power bank 20,000 mAh. I now have to drop one because I can't fly with both. The maximum allowance for flying with power bank is 20,000 mAh. So if you want to fly and you have a power bank more than 20,000 mAh, you are whining yourself. So I now have to give somebody this. So this is how everywhere looks like right now. So on this table, these are things I'm going with. Like that's my house. Sorry, that's the outfit I'll be wearing. Then the things I know say I will still use for morning time and all of those things. So these things I told you guys I'm still gonna burn it. But for the most times, English. But most things I've actually cleared it. The wardrobe is empty now. Yeah. So I'll still do normal survey. When I'm done, I just want to show you guys. I've emptied this. So this is my hand luggage, my laptop bag. So anything that I found, maybe while I arrange you see like this lip gloss, like this pen. There are so many things I find, like all this charger. I just put the bag. I'll not be putting it here. This one has special attention. So your hand luggage is for things that you remembered last. So all these things I'm going to be giving my female agent, the female agent of this house. The main ones are genuine. So all these things, the main things that I know that she will need, I'll pack it for her. And even my textbook too, I'm giving it to her son. She has been so nice. You see, I tell you, said the female one, so that's my storeroom. Even all this water dispenser, I'm giving it them to her. This is my second living room upstairs. I'm sure I've showed you guys a proper tour of this house. If you've not seen it, just check my live journey as well. You see, this house I never used at all. I was always coming here. It was a dry cleaner that came to clean here, and he left that there. So this is how everywhere looks now. I have cleared everything. So guys, look at this pattern. So I used to have a box here. I be a sack that has the things that I'm not using at the moment. If people saw the video, if you've not seen the video where I had to burn some things, check the link in my description box. You see the lot of load where I get everything. So I now clear this place. So in the view of me selecting pants wey still make sense and wey no make sense again, so I selected them on the floor. I had to wash everything. So now I have less than 24 hours to leave this house, and I just washed the panties. See how I take spread them. See make the thing quick dry. So I was even actually thinking of spreading it outside. So I now tried one with it. Yeah, see. So I think I'll just move the other ones so that atẹ́gùn máa tètè fẹ́ sí kí pátá lè tètè gbẹ. And you know that in as much as I can pack it like that, even if it's wet, it's going to make my load heavier because of the water content in it. I hope you know that. So, you know, some people will be like, who is spreading pants outside? My dear, I have less than 24 hours. I've forgotten what I'm going for. I have to rewash this one now. Then the most ones that are thick, is all these ones don't need tight. So I'm just going to spread them outside. Pull it away. Just hope some gets here. Hopefully. What if I now forget? I'll set alarm though. I forget. What? I go cry. Because not only that you forget, imagine them using your distance to do. So I just hope this dries as fast as possible. So people just be looking at tapata. So I just hope it dries fast as possible. So I'll just set alarm on my phone. In fact, by 6 p.m. I'll be more gonna remind me. So I'll just leave the remaining ones. Yeah, I think this place is more humid. Let me take it to the other room. It's today that I wash pants now. No say, please don't go blow. This one is closer to being irritated. So this one, I'm actually trashing it. I'm sure you guys know this brand. It did my face. Shege, so I'm trashing everything. I stopped using it. Though some people say it works, so the skincare, you show me shege banza. So I'm trashing it and all of this. But though some people say it works for them more, but I don't know, but it no work for me, sha. So now let's go downstairs. This is how the downstairs looks like. This iron, they say somebody paid for it. I've not even seen the person. If not, I'll just. So this one, I'm trashing it. Somebody has bought this AC. I'm trashing these ones, right? Then this one, I told my female agent like she should come and select the things. She just look at me in my mind. I think say I don't pack all my things way. So I see some things. Yeah, sure. So let me show you guys the kitchen. I'm even thinking of taking my umbrella with me, or I should give my female agents. That mirror too, I'm expecting a buyer for it. So this is my kitchen. All the things here as well, I'm giving my female agents. The foodstuffs, the everything, I'm giving it my female agent. No, not like female agent, I gave it to her. I was like, your son, I give it to your son. Like that. So since everything has been cleared, so I was even contemplating maybe I should clean the house for this thing. So the plan now is I should pack the main things in the house, then I'll take them downstairs and go and burn. Like today is the last day. So this one I am burning it. Then this one, so I'm packing it. Everything tomorrow I put them in. I'll go and burn it and to be sure that I have burnt everything. This one too, I'll give it to my female agent. I did the back seat and this thing. So it seems I'm actually even considering maybe clearing the house, because the guy that is taking this place after me is so nice, he's so patient. It was when I even bought stuff my AC, and even when I told him I have to wait till Saturday, so till Sunday before I book, he's so understanding, he's so everything. You see that new tenant on my female agents, they are just like, I don't even know how to actually appreciate them. So I'm actually even thinking that just in a way to appreciate, I'll clear the house, like all these things, all this yama in the house, I'll just sweep everything, pack everything and burn it. But I can leave that one I showed you guys downstairs, that visitor's room, I can leave it like that, because that place has been like that at Ibadan. But you see this upstairs, I'll just try and arrange it and pack all those dates, so that in fact when it comes in, they will not be doing a lot of cleaning, because he's a good person. You people know that my former house that I left in, if you've not seen the video, please see it in the link in my description box. When the landlord say I will clear the house, you see say I change it from house, say you give me clean house, because I follow the man verse. This one too, they actually did not give me clean house somehow. You know, as much as okay they said they were going to clean and everything, I ended up cleaning myself, right? But for the fact that the person moving in is a nice person, and because the person bringing him is my female agent, that's the only reason. So if you're nice to me, I'll be nice, but why should be wearing me? Go and say, because it's only monopoly of madness. So that's the only reason that is going to make me to actually kind of clear there. And you know that when I'm making this video, they refunded me my money, my rent, my caution fee, everything. So I am not obliged to do anything. So me doing it is just from the abundance of my heart. So if you not seen the video where I told you guys that they refunded me, this is the second house I'm staying. That okay, I had active rent, and in 2 houses I collected my rent before I moved. So this is me saying, don't dash any landlord your money. You understand? Collect your money. You understand? And okay, you guys will see the video. Anyways, I have to keep you guys updated as it goes. I'm tired. I need to eat now.